morning everyone. I am from Tripoli department. Myself Vaishnavi and my teammates are Vidyesh, Sirisha, Sricharan, Kanakraju. Our project name is Aqua Fish Feeder, and the components we used was servo motor, Arduino Uno, fish bowl, fishes, fish food, and one pen. It is used for feeding mechanism and jumper wise and pumping, purification water for pumping.
I am Sricharan. Now I will explain about the mechanism of this project. So the fish feed will be fed by the servo motor using the pen, and it will goes down and injects the fish feed, and the purification pump will filter the water, and by this pipe it releases the oxygen into the fish bowl. Now the fish will get the feed and the oxygen.
And it also purifies the water by purification we install in it.
As I mentioned that the fish feeder we use for feeding mechanism and also purification mechanism. So we introduced two mechanism in our project, and the main aim of this project is to not get a person to manually feeding the fishes. So it can help those people who are traveling for long hours, for 2 to 3 days staying back somewhere, and therefore and also unable to feed the food on time. So project mainly aims for it actually meant for those people who can actually feed the fish on time without damaging the fish, and also purify the water.
This project is used when the person moves out from the home. By this mechanism, it can feed automatically, and water will be purified when it will go distributed. And the user have to set the code for timings. It will be feed by the time set in code.
We have used the code. The code can change the time interval. So by fish we can per day we can feed 2 times.
According to existing solution, our project is innovative idea is purification. So many existing products are available in the market, but we introduce a purification system, and it is less cost when we compare other existing solution in the market.
And we can also modify with the RTC model in future.
Thank you. This is our project prototype. Now I am going to explain about how our project will work on Arduino. Here purification is done through the pump. We use the filter sponge and water pumping machine to purify the water, and the sponge will absorb the dust. See the purification of water. And by using the servo motor and pen mechanism to eject the food at certain levels, we use 2 mechanisms here. Here servo motor is for feeding the fish, and the pumping machine is used to purify the water and give the oxygen through the pipe.